Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I wanted to sing and play a chord melody for you. This is George Gershwin's Our Love Is Here to Stay. Thanks for watching. It's very clear our love is here to stay. Not for a year, but forever and a day. The radio and the telephone and the movies that we know just may be passing fancies and in time may go. But oh my dear, our love is here to stay. Together we're going a long, long way. In time the Rockies will crumble, Gibraltar may tumble, they're only made of clay. But our love is here. Our love is here. Our love is here to stay. Thanks very much if you made it to the end. Much love to you and your family.